In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on an Android phone. First, let's start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find this app, which usually looks like a gear icon, on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on this icon will take you into the Settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of your phone. This step is essential because the Settings app is the central hub for all adjustments on your device. You will see a list of options, and it's important to know that navigating through these settings will help you tailor your phone to your preferences. Next, tap on either System or General Management. The exact label may vary slightly depending on your phone model and Android version. If you see System, select that. If General Management is available, go with that option instead. This section contains many important features, including language settings. Understanding where to find the right options is key to making changes effectively. Once you tap on it, you may notice more options appear, guiding you further into the settings. Now, tap on Languages and Input or Language. This menu is where you will manage language preferences and keyboard settings. Tapping here brings you to the languages currently installed on your device. Choosing the right language settings can enhance your user experience, making it easier to navigate your device. This is a significant step, as it will allow you to see all the languages your phone supports. From here, tap on Languages. This option will display a list of languages that can be added or modified. You'll see the current language settings and can explore the additional options available. It's important to familiarize yourself with this part of the menu because it is where you will make the crucial change. You might notice that some languages may have different dialects or regional variations, which can be useful in ensuring that the language suits your needs. Next, tap on Add a Language. This will open a list of languages you can choose from. Scroll through the options to find your preferred language. Selecting the right language is important, as it will change the entire interface of your phone. Once you find the language you want, tap on it to add it to your list. This step ensures your phone can accommodate your language preference, enhancing your overall experience. After selecting your preferred language, you may be prompted to choose a region. This is especially common for languages that have multiple regional variations. Choose the appropriate region if necessary. This detail helps the phone provide you with the most relevant language settings. It can also affect things like date formats, currency, and other region-specific features. Now, drag the new language to the top of the list or tap Set as Default. This action ensures that your phone recognizes the new language as the primary one. Making this adjustment is crucial because it determines how your phone communicates with you. You will see the new language highlighted at the top, signifying that your choice has been registered. After you have set the language, wait for the phone to apply the new language. This might take a few moments as the device adjusts its settings. It's important to be patient during this process. You will see various messages indicating that the language is being updated throughout your device. Finally, open an app to confirm the language has changed. You can use any app such as your messaging or social media app to check the new language settings. This step is reassuring because it allows you to verify that everything is working as intended. You should see the app's text and menus displayed in your chosen language, confirming that the changes were successful.